bit different in our Viennese Waltz because we don't have a lot of time. So our promenade step, my body's facing in one direction, but my feet are going in a different direction. The man hesitates, so he steps left foot forward. The lady steps right foot forward, but then allows her foot to come up, and 1, 2, 3. So we step 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we do that again. And 1, 2, 3, 1, and a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2,